Okay, we're first going to set up our paper for 2-point perspective. We're going to draw 9 cubes in 2-point perspective. They're going to look like this. And then I'm going to show the various things you can do to the sides of the cubes because we're going to be making a cityscape. After this, okay, first thing we want to do is get our horizon line in. Measure the height of our paper. It's 8.5. Half of 8.5 is 4 1/4. So we're going to make a mark at 4 1/4 in the middle, 4 1/4 on the right side of our paper, and 4 1/4 on the left side of our paper. We're going to start with 0 at the top, measure down 4 1/4. Draw a line through our 3 marks. This is our horizon line or our eye level. We're going to put in 2 vanishing points, one on the far right and one on the far left. Because this is 2-point perspective, we have 2 points, okay? 2 vanishing points. What we're going to do next is we're going to draw 3 sets of 3 horizontal lines. We're going to turn our paper vertically. Okay, somewhere across the top here about, let's say, 2 inches down. So we'll measure 2 inches down from the top of our paper, start at 0, measure down 2, make a mark, start at 0, measure down 2, make a mark. Along this level here, we're going to draw 3 horizontal lines. One is going to go from 0 to 2. We're starting at 0 on the left edge. Okay, 0 to 2, 3 to 5 inches, and 7 to 8.5 inches. So the last one's going to be a little bit shorter than the first 2. Okay. So you should have 3 horizontal lines. Our paper is turned vertically now, straight up and down. We're going to come down another, say, 3.5 inches. Come down from this first set of horizontal lines, come down, make a mark at 3.5 on the left, start at 0, measure down. Or I'm sorry, you're starting at 0, the first set of horizontal lines, coming down to 3.5, making a mark, setting up your ruler along that line or that level, and again you're drawing your line, your 3 horizontal lines from 0 to 2, 3 to 5, and 7 to 8.5. Okay. We're going to come down a little bit lower and get our third set of horizontal lines in. We're measuring down from the second level. We're measuring down about 3 inches, making a mark at 3 inches, start at 0 at this level, start at 0, measure down, make a mark at 3 inches. Now at this new level, we're going to draw the same 3 horizontal lines again. Start at 0 on the left, 0 to 2, 3 to 5, 7 to 8.5, okay? We're going to turn our paper back now this way or horizontally. Okay, so whenever we draw something, or whenever we draw a cube in 2-point perspective, we start with this vertical line, okay? So from the vertical line, let's start on the upper left. We're going to draw the first 3 cubes that are above eye level. This means we're looking up at the cubes so we can see underneath and the 2 sides. Okay? So from the top of our vertical line, we're going to draw an orthogonal line to the vanishing point, to the left vanishing point, and from the bottom of this vertical line, we're going to draw an orthogonal to the left vanishing point as well. So 1 and 2. We're going to do the same thing to the other side. Same 2 orthogonals from the top and bottom of our vertical line to the vanishing point on the right side now. Not going to go all the way through, so I don't have to do too much erasing, but it is going all the way to the vanishing point on the right. So we have two orthogonals on the left, two orthogonals on the right. One's going to the left vanishing point, one's going to the right vanishing point. Then we need to close off the sides of our cube here with the vertical line on both sides. Okay, then to close off the bottom, we're going to be able to see underneath this cube because it's above eye level. We're looking up at it. We're going to draw now orthogonal lines to the opposite vanishing point. So from the right corner here, we're going to draw an orthogonal to the opposite or to the left vanishing point. And then from the left corner of our box, of our cube, we're going to draw an orthogonal line to the right vanishing point. And these two lines are going to intersect or cross. And where that intersection is where the back corner of our box is going to be. Okay. So now we can erase all these extra orthogonal lines. Let's do the one in the center now. Two orthogonal lines to the left vanishing point from the top and bottom, and two orthogonals to the right vanishing point from the top and bottom of our vertical line. Vertical lines to close off the sides. You always want to line up the edge of the ruler or the edge of the ruler with the edge of the paper here to make sure it's a perfect vertical line. And then we're going to go to the opposite sides now. So from the bottom left-hand corner of our cube, we're going to the right vanishing point, and then from the right, we're going to the left vanishing point, and where those two lines intersect is going to be the back corner. Erase those extra orthogonals. Okay, so this third one is going to look similar to these. The ones that are going to be below, the ones that are going to be on the horizon line or at our eye level, we'll only be able to see the sides of the cubes. We won't be able to see on top or underneath because we're looking straight at them. It's at our eye level. The ones below means we're looking down. They're below eye level. That means we're looking down at these. We'll be able to see the sides and the tops of the cubes below the horizon line. I'm going to draw the rest for you now. The ones at the bottom are going to be the same ones at the top, just upside down. go to the opposite side now. Right to left, left to right. Right to left, left to right. Right to left, vanishing point, left to right, vanishing point. Erase extra orthogonals, and that's your 9 cubes in 1 point perspective.